We good with it. Today, man, I'm since y'all like the blue Louis drip so much, I'm gonna throw y'all another one, man. I'm about to do the red pair because I got an order for it. I actually got an order for the blue and the red, but y'all have seen the blue one, so don't worry about it. I'm gonna show y'all the red version today. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna take y'all through it. I ain't gonna take y'all through the whole thing because I kinda ain't got time to. But I already got them prepped and all that. I might show y'all like me laying down the stencils, then the paint, you know what I'm saying, detail work, and then the finisher, and then bam, there you go. Show you the final product, and leggy.
Okay. I know the truth sound like hate, but don't be hating the truth. You got the news, now I ain't snoozing, I'ma do what I do. Mine on the loot, don't be a fool, nigga ain't worried about you. Dive in the pool, what's up with you, little nigga, gotta be cool. Tryna put that private up and keep it up, it ain't no debate. I got my options in the reefer right now, which one to blaze? These niggas ain't straight, they two-faced, and man, they all the way fake. We bout to make the news, baby, the pussy wanna play. We out the line, my niggas, show them niggas, we ain't gotta stop. Get the dropping niggas, chose to come and knock a nigga out. The opposition, my position, wanna take my spot. Think not, got me thinking about the birds when they fly in the sky. I'm a real living vessel, I'm a big piece of pressure. Got them hoes acting extra wide, cause she not in the schedule. Girl, I had to digest you, you ain't shit to my presence. Had to learn my lesson, hope you don't pass by the truth sound like hate, but don't be hating the truth. You got the news, now I ain't snoozing, I'ma do what I do. Mine on the loot, don't be a fool, nigga ain't worried about you. Dive in the pool, what's up with you, little nigga, gotta be cool. Put that private up and keep it up, it ain't no debate. I got my options in the reefer right now, which one to blaze? These niggas ain't straight, they two-faced, and man, they all the way fake. We bout to make the news, baby, the pussy wanna play. I gotta take mine, she just wanna blow me up on FaceTime. Got her off the phone, you know she coming over at lunchtime. Got me in my zone, you know I'm popping up at clutch time. Grinding on my own, you know I'm keeping up what I do with mine, yeah. Gotta be cool, I can't be letting them know I'm a move. Gotta go fill up a cup, baby, too. Yeah, I can pedal the bike without you. Yeah, I can spit it the mic without you. Gotta go fix my issue, don't teach me nothing you wouldn't do. Teach me something I can improve. Just be cool, don't go by the rules. I go with the move, I'll be back here soon. That witch got a broom, she hot like it's June. I'm gone to the moon, don't think that I'm doomed. I know the truth sound like hate, but don't be hating the truth. You got the news, now I ain't snoozing, I'ma do what I do. Mine on the loot, don't be a fool, nigga ain't worried about you. Dive in the pool, what's up with you, little nigga, gotta be cool. Private up and keep it up, it ain't no debate. I got my options in the reefer right now, which one to blaze? These niggas ain't straight, they two-faced, and man, they all the way fake. We bout to make the news, baby. Play. I know the truth sound like hate, but don't be hating the truth. You got the news, now I ain't snoozing, I'ma do what I do. Mine on the loot, don't be a fool, nigga ain't worried about you. Dive in the pool, what's up with you, little nigga, gotta be cool. Put that private up and keep it up, it ain't no debate. I got my options in the reefer right now, which one to blaze? These niggas ain't straight, they two-faced, and man, they all the way fake. We bout to make the news, baby, the pussy wanna play. Low-key, sympathy, I mean, ain't too much gonna change, bro. I don't want no sympathy. A lot of shit gon' stay the same. Change. A lot of people stay the same, a lot of people change. When I was young, all I wanted was that champion ring. Now I'm old, all I want is a bag and some cream. Don't show no pity for low-key, I don't want no sympathy. No sympathy, no sympathy. Don't show no pity for low-key, I don't want no sympathy. No sympathy, no sympathy. I ain't come to play no games, I ain't come to say no names. You don't know me back or man, you can leave fast as you came. I don't want no sympathy, got me cutting out bad memories. I don't feel your energy, got me cutting out my enemies. We stand by what we ran about, and if the ops route, then the cannon out. What the two ways that I'm feeling now, and ain't there one I'm giving out. Fuck nigga, we standing now and ain't got time to be sitting down. Head up to the ceiling now, she like it. In the mouth, I'm striking. Years work of excitement. I'm not a psychic, they can see I'm righteous. Is price, I want a bag, I done gave my last. Guess I left it in the past, time to react. Niggas round and looking mad, but I can give a rat's ass. Show me the cash and watch it stumble through the stacks. I never ask for a pat on the back, I never ask cause you cat in the hat. That nigga don't ask me that, no. Don't show me no sympathy. It's right here the big of me, low-key. A lot gon' stay the same, a lot of shit didn't change. A lot of people stay the same, a lot of people change. When I was young, all I wanted was that champion ring. Now I'm old, all I want is a bag and some show no pity for low key. I don't want no sympathy, no sympathy, no sympathy. Don't show no pity for low key. I don't want no sympathy, no sympathy, no sympathy. Lord have mercy, feel like I got no mercy. Who am I to blame though? It's part of the game though. When you see me.
Alright, man, I hope y'all enjoyed that video, you know what I'm saying? What's crazy is that's actually the first color I ever did in that design, my original design. Yeah. The Louis Vuitton cut, the drip. Dang, what? I'm tripping. the Louis drip cartoons. You know what I'm saying? If you want a pair, you know what I'm saying? Go to my website, cadetb7.com. Simple as that. You want a pair, they on there. You can choose any color you want. Choose between fades. There's so many options, you know what I'm saying? Customize them to your liking. Yes, sir. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at cadet_B7. Throw me 40 likes on this junk. You know what I'm saying? I know y'all got me. That ain't nothing too crazy. You know what I'm saying? Throw me 40 likes on this guy. Make sure you subscribe if you're new. Join the squad. And if you ain't new and you ain't subscribed, what are you doing? What are you doing? Join the squad. You hear me, man? Now ride. I'm gonna catch you in the next one.
You walking with a limp, I got no cane, ho. Yeah, I watch my surroundings, it's a part of the mountain. I'ma put my hands on it while it's evolving. Looking for money counter like a accountant. I can count it without it, I just want it. On the latest, ain't no race, but we gon' finish safe. Watch I escape every mistake and turn it into great. Fuck a debate, we on the way like a dog this straight. Like the holidays, my pride won't get thrown away. In the mouth, I'm striking. Years worth of excitement. I'm not a psychic. They can see I'm righteous. Fuck with me is price. I want a bang. I done gained my last. Guess I left it in the past. Time to react. Niggas round and looking mad, but I can give a rat's ass. Show me the cash. A lot of shit gon' stay the same. A lot of shit didn't change. A lot of people stayed the same. A lot of people change. When I was young, all I wanted was that champion ring. Now I'm old, all I want is a bag and some grain. Don't show no pity for low key. I don't want no sympathy, no sympathy, no sympathy. Don't show no pity for low key. I don't want no sympathy.